Welcome to Lesson 3, Solve Technical Tasks Easily. In this lesson, you'll discover how Gemini can help you create simple web pages and visual layouts, even if you don't know how to code. You'll learn how to turn plain descriptions and rough sketches into HTML and CSS, make changes using everyday language, and fix common issues with Gemini's help. Let's get started. You don't need a coding background to start creating simple visual content with Gemini. You can describe what you want in ordinary language, and Gemini can turn that description into clean code. You can also use sketches as design references. Once your page is created, you can ask Gemini to change the layout using plain language. And if something doesn't look right, Gemini can help identify and fix the problem. The idea is simple. You describe what you want, and Gemini handles the technical part. Before going further, let's understand two basic technologies, HTML and CSS. Think of code as instructions written for a computer. HTML describes what appears on a web page, such as titles, text, images, and buttons. CSS describes how those elements look, such as colors, layout, spacing, and overall style. The good news is that you don't have to write all of this code yourself. With Gemini, you can focus on describing the design you want, while Gemini handles the technical instructions. To create something with Gemini, you don't need to know technical coding instructions. Simply describe what you want. For example, make a centered title with a short paragraph below it, or add a friendly button at the bottom, or create a section with 3 cards in a row. These are ordinary design instructions, not programming commands. Gemini can interpret your description and turn it into working HTML and CSS. Let's see how this works in practice. Imagine you ask Gemini, create a simple page with a big title, a short paragraph, and a button centered underneath. Gemini interprets your description as a layout. The title goes at the top, the paragraph appears below it, the button is centered underneath, and the page uses clean spacing and alignment. Gemini then generates the HTML and CSS needed to build the page. You describe the result you want, and Gemini translates that description into code. Once Gemini generates the code, you can turn it into something real. You can preview it online by placing the code into an HTML and CSS editor. You can also save it as an HTML file and open it directly in your browser. The page can serve as a prototype for a landing page or another concept. You can share it with teammates or friends for feedback, and you can continue improving it by asking Gemini to add or change elements. So the process doesn't stop when the first version is created. You can keep iterating. Here's another simple example. You can ask Gemini, make a web card with a photo on top, a title, and a short line of text. Gemini can create the basic structure with balanced spacing. Then you can improve the design using simple instructions. For example, make the corners rounder, add a shadow, or use softer colors. You don't need to rewrite the code. Simply describe the change you want, and Gemini can update the code for you. Gemini can also work with visual references. You can upload a screenshot, sketch, or photo of a layout. Gemini can identify elements such as sections and buttons, spacing and alignment, color patterns, and relative sizing. This means your rough drawing can become a starting point for a real web page. You don't always have to explain every detail in words. Sometimes showing Gemini what you have in mind can be the easiest way to communicate your design. Imagine drawing a simple layout on paper. You sketch a large title, 3 equal boxes underneath, and a small footer at the bottom. You can provide that sketch to Gemini. Gemini can interpret the overall layout and turn it into clean HTML and CSS. You don't necessarily need to provide technical labels or exact measurements. And if you want the layout to work well on mobile devices, simply tell Gemini, make this layout stack vertically on small screens. Gemini can then add responsive CSS to adjust the layout for smaller screens. Once your page is created, you can continue making improvements using everyday language. For example, make the text larger, use a darker color, add space around the card, or center everything. You don't need to learn coding syntax to request these changes. Just describe what you want to see differently. Gemini can interpret your instruction and update the code accordingly. What happens when something doesn't look right? Maybe the text is misaligned. Perhaps the spacing is uneven. Or a color or button doesn't appear as expected. You don't need to become a technical troubleshooter. You can simply explain the problem to Gemini. For example, why doesn't the image show up? Why is this button off-center? Or, can you fix the spacing? Gemini can interpret the problem, explain what may be wrong, and update the code. The important lesson is, use natural language to describe the problem, rather than worrying about technical jargon. Let's look at a practical debugging example. Imagine you ask Gemini, look at this layout and explain why the UI component doesn't look right, then show a simple fix I can apply. Gemini identifies the issue. In this example, the element is misaligned because the container has a fixed width while the image scales responsively, causing overflow. Gemini can then suggest a solution. Switch to a flexible layout using a method such as display flex and allow the content to shrink or wrap. The important point is not memorizing the technical solution. It's knowing that you can describe the problem in everyday language and ask Gemini to explain and help fix it. Let's recap what you've learned. First, you can describe visual ideas and have Gemini turn them into HTML and CSS. Second, you can use sketches or screenshots as design references. Third, you can update layouts using plain language. And fourth, you can fix small issues without troubleshooting the code yourself. You now have the basic tools to create simple pages, components, and interfaces, even without a coding background. The key is to focus on what you want to create, explain it clearly, and let Gemini help with the technical details. You can now build simple visual layouts without knowing how to code. But we're not stopping here. In the next lesson, we'll move from web pages and technical tasks to visual creation. You'll learn how to turn simple prompts into eye-catching images, transform existing visuals using smart edits, and create polished, professional visual assets. So get ready to take your creativity to the next level. Up next, Lesson 4, Create and Transform Images.